The most common movement in our home workouts would obviously be the squat. A number of mistakes that I do see and which we will correct in this video. Most of the time when we squat, one thing to keep in mind is we don't want the knees collapsing inward. A lot of the times I see squats happening in this way. You see the knees, they are collapsing inward. We don't want that to happen. A better way to do so is, hey, you know what? We want the knees out. We want to engage the hips and push the knees outward. As simple as slightly point your toes outward, knees go out and your hips go back. So look at the difference here, right? Similarly, we tend to move forward or fall in front. What happens is we kind of lose balance, our weight is going in front, and for the most part, we are on our toes or our heels are lifting off. We don't want that. Now what you want to do here is you want to engage your hips. Push your hips back, like as though you want to sit on a chair right behind you. When there's a chair, what you end up doing is you end up leading with your hips, right? As you can see now, here the weight is well distributed. The weight is well distributed and balanced. So this is what we want. And make sure you have a full range of motion. You're going all the way down, coming all the way top. You keep your chest out and you don't slouch this way. You don't want this. You want to keep your chest out and you want to go down. Nice and easy. That, my friends, is how you do the squat.